तू ही है, बस तू ही है, मेरी हर हंसी में तू ही है। तू ही है, बस तू ही है, हर लम्हे में और साल में। तू ही है, बस तू ही है, मेरे गम खुशी में तू ही है। तू ही है, बस तू ही है, तेरी दोस्ती हर हाल में। घर मुड़ के देखूं जो मैं जरा, तो कभी ना रहा तुझसे जुदा। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। 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 बिन कहे सब सुन लेता है मेरा यार, दर्द से खुशियाँ चुन लेता है मेरा यार। दुनिया से वो लड़ जाता है मेरे लिए, लेकिन मुझसे हार जाता है मेरा यार। घर मुड़ के देखूं जो मैं जरा, तो कभी ना रहा तुझसे जुदा। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है।
किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा। मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा।
मेरी जिंदगी संभाली मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा। मेरी जिंदगी संभाली मुझको गले लगा के, बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा याराना। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। यारा तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है।
Joy.
ओ आजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं, आजा करें फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं, मीठी सी वो गाड़ी तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ। देखो जो मैं सारा कभी ना तुझे से जुड़ा। It's been a long way without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gauri. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Gauri. Happy birthday to you.
પગે લાગુ છું. હા, હેપી બર્થડે બેટા. હા, તને એટલે 21 વર્ષ પૂરા થયા ને તો ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ વધ અને ભણી ગણી ને સરસ મજાનું આગળ ભણજે અને બધા હવે તું
જય જીનેન્દ્ર અમી બેટા હેપી બર્થડે દીકુ તને તું અમને બધાને બહુ જ યાદ આવે છે દીકુ તારો તો મને નાનપણ તો બહુ જ યાદ આવે છે કેમ કહેતી હતી કે બા માલા હમ કાકા કાન ગયા માલા હમ કાકા કેમ ગયા હે નાગી જડી નહોતી પહેરી પણ આખા ઘરમાં ગોતી આવી હતી તે મને બહુ જ યાદ આવે છે દીકુ તું ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ આવ MBA થઈ જા વેલી મજાની હે અને તારી જેટલી ઈચ્છા તારી ઈચ્છા હોય ને એ ભગવાન બધી પૂર્ણ કરે હે અને ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખ સમૃદ્ધિ મળે અને મા બાપની સેવા કરે અને શાંતિથી મજાની જિંદગી જીવજો બેટા હેપી બર્થડે હે
જય જીનેન્દ્ર.
જય જીનેન્દ્ર બેટા જય
પગે
જીનેન્દ્ર
લાગુ છું ફરીથી.
I love you, baby. જય જીનેન્દ્ર કેમ છો? ગલુડિયું નાનું નાનું બાવ ધીંપોત્યો કુકુયો એક નંબરનો ગુંડો ખાઈ જાઓ. હું તો ખાલી છે ને રાત જોઉં છું ક્યારે આવે ને ક્યારે ખાઈ જાઓ. મેની 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 હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે બાબુ. આઈ લવ યુ સો મચ એન્ડ ધ બેસ્ટ પાર્ટ is you're doing samai, you are taking care of yourself, you are skin care કરે છે. આ ગાંડી મને બોલાવે છે એટલે હું અહીં જાતે બોલું છું ઈ બરાબર છે. મસ્ત જમવાનું બનાવે છે. મને પણ જોઈએ છે કે તું અહીંયા આવીને મસ્ત મને જમાડે પણ હું તને જમાડીશ. તું જ્યારે આવીશ ને ત્યારે તું હું તારી માટે બધું બનાવીશ. ઓકે માય ગલુડિયું નાનું બાવ. I love you. God bless you so much and may God bless you with health, wealth and happiness. Many happy returns of the day, baby. God bless you always and forever.
હાય બેબી જય જીનેન્દ્ર હેપી બર્થડે મજામાં કેવું ચાલે છે ભણવાનું ઓલ ઇઝ વેલ આઈ એમ વેરી પ્રાઉડ ઓફ યુ બેટા ત્યાં જઈને તે તારી જાતને ઘણી ચેન્જ કરી છે મને બહુ ગમે છે જે મારું સપનું હતું કે તું આવી ચેન્જ થા તું એવી ચેન્જ થઈ ગઈ છે તું ત્યાં સરસ ભણી રહી છે તું ત્યાં સરસ કામ કરી રહી છે તું મમ્મી પપ્પા પર બહુ સ્ટ્રેસ ઓછો આવવા દે છે વેરી પ્રાઉડ બેટા અને મારી હજી એક વિશ છે કે તું છે ને તારી બેનને બી ત્યાં બોલાવી લે અને ઈ ત્યાં તું એનું ધ્યાન રાખ ત્યાં ભણવામાં કેમ કે તું જ એને કંટ્રોલ કરી શકે છે મારો દીકરો આ અમને બહુ પજવે છે હારી બહુ યાર
અને
તું-
ખબર પડાવે
તું-
છે
તું સમજે છે
અને
મારી-
ખબર બી
તું-
પડાવે
તું સમજે છે
કે
બેટા
છે ને તું અહીંયા હતી ને તો
હા.
who was the one who was
હા
making-
એટલે અમારા પર એ બધું આવતું નહોતું હવે અમારે એને
હા.
ટેકલ કરવી પડે છે થોડું ઘણું અઘરું છે પણ આઈ કેન મેનેજ ઇટ પણ ધેન ટુ બેટા એને બોલાવી લેજો પ્લીઝ લવ યુ બેટા આઈ એમ પ્રાઉડ ફાધર બેટા ટેક કેર જય જિનેન્દ્ર બાય બાય
Hi, happy birthday, Didi. I miss you so much. I miss going for long drives and then ending up sleeping and then fighting with you. And then I miss how we used to wake up next morning and act like there's nothing wrong and there's nothing to be angry about because that's how it works. And do you remember how we used to actually sumo wrestle inside Chitra? I know. God, those were crazy days. And I hope you enjoy watching the entire comeback. Because I forgot to tell you how I also miss throwing you from here to there like a ping pong ball. And I'm not even sorry. I miss you so much. And come back jaldi jaldi. I love you.
પપુડિયો કુરકુરિયો સુરસુરિયો મોટા પપ્પાનો દીકો હેપી બર્થડે અમી ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ બેટા
મજામાં હેલ્ધી ખાજે તબિયતનું ધ્યાન રાખજે પછી તું વહેલી વહેલી આવ એટલે તને હું કોર્ન પરોઠા વિથ કોર્નનું શાક નાન અને ઓલું તળેલું મરચું તીખું તીખું યાદ છે ને એ આપણે ખાશું ઓકે બાય સી યુ સૂન
Hi Ami, happy birthday. Long drive પર જાવું છે દીદી? કપકેક ખાવા જાવું છે દીદી? મોટા મમ્મી છુંદો છે? I miss you. I'll see you soon. Happy birthday.
Tiny little girl who used to like just to wake me up early in the morning, like Didi Utho wasn't cute, was annoying, but I didn't tell you anything because you were quite small and yeah, whatever, cute and all. But yeah, I did take the revenge by throwing you off from the ghode and sleeping myself. Oh God. Also, does your friends know that you were dancing on Himesh Reshamya's song? Oh my God, you were a true rock star, huh? In the kind of judging you also right now. So the last birthday of yours that we celebrated together was I think when you were 15 or 16 and it was a party at Sai Chitra and we were dancing like crazy. It was an amazing night, yeah. So finally I'm in Bombay but now you are at Australia. I hope you come soon and at least we celebrate my birthday together. Yeah? Also, Jenny and I planning for a Goa trip. So yeah, we can consider let you in, like we'll think about it. And then yeah, we'll definitely go for a long drive with really high music and yeah, then you know what I do, yeah. That's a history. Oh God, come soon, we need to go shopping, like go Mahavanagar shop, H&M and you know, yeah, let's have a photo shoot again this time where we're just like swapping clothes and changing and you know, trying all the poses that we saw from Instagram. Oh God, it's been a long journey, I'd say. You've really grown as a person. And I'm really proud of that. And we are not going to say God bless you and all of that shit. Rather say you're 21, a legal age for a lot of things. Huh? Just kidding. Otherwise you know how our parents are. Happy birthday baby. Come soon. I miss you.
મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. આપણે મેમાં મળ્યા હોત પણ આ કોરોના વાયરસના લીધે બધું ફ્લોપ થઈ ગયું. હોપ આ ટ્રાન્સ પેસિફિક બબલ ખુલે અને વી કેન મીટ સૂન. વન્સ અગેન હેપી બર્થડે. બાય.
હલો જય જિનેન્દ્ર મારો દીકરો 1 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો હેપી બર્થડે થઈ ગયો આજે દીકાનો હેપી બર્થડે હેપી બર્થડે હવે 5 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો આજે હેપી બર્થડે છે અમી બેનનો આજે હેપી બર્થડે છે કેવો બર્થડે કરવાનો છે હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ હેપી બર્થડે છે ને હવે 10 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો. આજે આપણે બધા ફ્રેન્ડને બોલાવીને હેપી બર્થડે કરવાનો છે ને. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હા હા, મારા દીકરાનો બર્થડે છે. હવે 15 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે. હવે મોટા મોટા ફ્રેન્ડ બધા આવશે, પાર્ટી મોટી કરશું. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, વિશ યુ હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હા, હવે 20 વર્ષનો થઈ ગયો. બહુ મોટો મોટો કોલેજમાં આવી ગયો. હા, હવે કોલેજમાં બી આવી ગયો હે ને. હવે હોટલમાં પાર્ટી કરવા જવાનો દીકો મારો. હેપી બર્થડે, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. બહુ મજા આવે છે હેપી બર્થડેમાં. હોટલમાં જવાનું, શું શું ખાવાના. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હવે 21 વર્ષનો દાંડો થઈ ગયો. ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા જઈને બેસી ગયો છે. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. ત્યાંના બધા ફ્રેન્ડ સાથે પાર્ટી કરવાના છો હે. વાહ, પછી અમને પણ બોલાવજો ત્યાં. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હવે જલ્દી જલ્દી નાનીની વિશ પૂરી કરો. બહુ બધી ભણી ગણીને ડિગ્રી લઈને આવવાના છો. જલ્દી જલ્દી આવી જાઓ ડિગ્રી લઈને, બહુ બધી ડિગ્રી લઈને. હા, નાનીની વિશ છે. બહુ ભણીને હોશિયાર થઈ જજો, બરોબર ને. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. કેક આવો એટલે કેક કરીએ, મજા આવે. મારા દીકરાની બહુ યાદ આવે. હા, ક્યુટ ક્યુટ લાગો છો, બહુ ક્યુટ લાગો છો. હા, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. કોણ? અમીબેનનો બર્થડે છે. કોણ અમી? ખબર નથી મને, ઓળખતી નથી. હા, કોણ અમી? ગાંડી મારી 22 વર્ષની થઈ ગઈ હે. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે ડિયર અમી, હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Ami. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns days.
Happy birthday.
જલ્દી જલ્દી કેક ખવડાવજો, આવજો.
Happy birthday, Ami Didi. I love you and I miss you a lot.
Happy birthday, dear Ami. I miss you a lot. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ami. Ami, happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे गुंडी.
Hi Ami, कैसे हो? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. બધા મિસ કરીએ છીએ. જલ્દી જલ્દી પઢાઈ કમ્પ્લીટ કરીને ઇન્ડિયા આવી જાઓ.
મારી લાડકવાઈ લક્ષ્મીનો અવતાર એ સુએ તો રાત પડે ને જાગે તો સવાર દીકરી મારી લાડકવાઈ મારી લાડકીને ઘણી ખમા મારી દીકરીને ઘણી ખમા મારી લાડકીને જોશું તારી વાટ. Many happy returns of the day, Ami. God bless you, beta. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ami Didi.
We miss you. We miss us.
Hope to see you soon. Have a safe and a great birthday. We love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Ami. Wish you lots of success and happiness. We love you.
We love you.
Birthday baby, have the sickest birthday, party hard, stay home, stay safe, and I love you so much and I miss you even more, so please come back soon. Lots of puppies and juppies.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ami.
Happy birthday to you.
You miss you so much. Hope we meet soon, and I miss your love, kisses and hugs most, and also having selfies together. Yes, I miss that most.
Ami,
Love you.
big things happen in this country. Big things happen in the world. So don't get carried away with those things. The pandemics will happen, the forest fire will happen, the racial things will happen. Stick to your course, stick to your parents' dreams, stick to your dreams and achieve them to the fullest. Miss you a lot and wish you a very happy birthday. Hoping to see you soon.
Happy
Bye.
birthday. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Ami. So 21st birthday, a very special one, but we miss you a lot. I wish that we could celebrate this birthday together, and the most thing that I miss about you is all the special meetings of our families, and we used to sit in a room and literally think कि यार किधर अटक गए. But see you soon. Miss you. Come back. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Day, Ami Didi, miss you, miss our sleepers, meeting up randomly, going for lunch or dinner, everything, like everything. Love you, hope to see you soon. Enjoy. Bye.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे बर्थडे है भाई बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है कैंडल्स बुझ गई अब सब में केक बट्टे है चिक्स सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैंप सारे ठंडे हैं कैश खेल लिया पूरे साल आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ami. Happy birthday to you.
We miss you on each and every occasion, each and every time you all meet. We miss you. Very happy birthday. Stay happy and blessed.
When it occurs to me that how terrible our decision was to choose another path, the day we were trekking in Bhutan and we were like lost in the mountain, we were stranded alone, we had no one ahead of us, and we were like thinking what to do, what not to do, and it was a really bad mistake that we chose that path. Oh, by the way, wish you many many happy returns of the day. Hope you are enjoying your day and making the best of it. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ami. From entire Joshi family, wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Ami Didi.
Happy birthday, Ami. Happy birthday, Ami.
Happy birthday, Ami.
God bless you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ami. Happy birthday to you.
Clap kariye. Ami, you are an amazing child, and on your special day, I would like to wish you all in quantities. So I wish you joy, I wish you success, I wish you prosperity, and most of all, be the best child in the world and make your parents proud and make us proud too. We love you and miss you.
Same as Meghna.
God bless you and have a blast, have a rocking year ahead.
You know what I remember the most about you is when you used to click lovely photographs. Remember, Bintan? I need you to come back so you can click lovely photographs for me. Love you, beta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ami. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe.
Didi send me iPhone 11.
Happy birthday, Ami Didi. We miss you.
Hi. Ami, many happy returns of the day. We miss you every time whenever we meet. Come soon, we will have a party together. Enjoy your birthday and don't miss us today. Bye.
Hi Ami, wish you a very happy birthday, beta. I know today you must be missing all your friends and family over there as you're very far from them. But don't feel sad, just focus on your goal. Our blessings are always with you. May you get all the success in your life and fulfill all your dreams. You know, Ami, you are very lucky that you are blessed with such a loving and a supportive parents. So I think God has done his part of giving you all the happiness in the form of your parents. And now it's your turn to return all that happiness back to them. So just work hard, fulfill your dreams and your parents' dream. So all the very good luck for your future. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life over there, and once again wish you a very happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Ami Didi. Wish you a very happy birthday. When you will come back, we will celebrate your birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Ami Didi. Wish you have a long and happy life. I hope you are here right now. It must be very boring in Australia. I wish you were here. Happy birthday.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे अमी
Happy birthday, Ami.
Happy birthday, Ami Didi.
Ami Didi. Happy birthday, Ami Didi. Happy birthday, Ami Didi. Hi, Ami. Happy birthday, Ami. Bye. Bye.
Hi Ami, many happy returns of the day. May you do so well in your studies and achieve all the success in life. Have a fun-filled day. Bye.
Happy 21st birthday, Ami. You have finally officially turned into an actual adult now, so congrats on that. It is a little heartbreaking how I am not there with you on this big day, because I feel over the period of time we've sort of established this ritual wherein I am with you on the day and night of your birthday, and it makes me really sad to not be there with you, but it's okay. This is life. Gonna deal with it. I really do hope you have a great day. Have a lot of fun. Enjoy it to your max, but stay safe. Take all of the precautionary measures if it's still very unsafe out there. And I love you so much. You have no idea. And I miss you a lot. literally a lot. I cannot wait to see you, get back with you, go on parties, just spend a lot of time with you, okay? Like, meet me soon.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी.
Amy, happy 21st birthday, Ami. I really wish you stop delaying your trips back and come back already, because you're just cutting your hair shorter and shorter, which means you're going mad. Also, I can't thank you enough for always being there for me. I really miss you. I miss Pinku Pani Puri. I miss walking around in Mahavir Nagar. More than that, I miss our crazy sleepovers, and I really wish I meet you very soon. But till then, I hope you have, like the best birthday of your life, and just know that we all here miss you and love you.
Dummy, hope you are doing well. May you get all the happiness in the world. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Amy. Amy. Happy birthday.
Hi Ami, a very happy birthday to you. Have a great year ahead, and please stay healthy. Please take care of yourself, and yes, come back soon. Bye.
Hi अमी कोठारी, आपको रमने की तरफ से जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. बस एंजॉय कीजिए ये दिन को. और मैं एक चीज़ कहना भूल गया कि जो दिख रहा दुनिया ने बहुत विशाल है, ये तो मैं फटाफट इंडिया आई जा.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ami. Lots and lots of love. I wish you all the happiness, all the love, all the success, and may you always get whatever you deserve, okay? Whatever you want, and may God bless you. So yeah. Apart from all this blessings and everything, I would like to share like our memories, okay? I think we have like lots and lots of childhood memories together. Like if we go back in time and think about it, it's like wow. We have done our dance classes together, we have like performed together, we have done our drawing classes together. It's like we have grew up together, and I have grown up with you, giving me names like Boda, Minibus and whatnot. So basically it's like I have spent my childhood by you giving me all different kind of names, weird names, and which is completely okay with me, because you're always gonna be my like sweet and skinny. No, I wouldn't call you skinny anymore. You have gained for good, and yeah, you look amazing now. You always did any which ways, and I'm just complimenting you because it's your birthday, don't you worry. So yeah, happy birthday once again. Oh yeah, you know what they say, you are no longer a best friend to me, because they say that once you complete like 5 years of friendship as best friends, you are no longer best friends, you become a family. So yeah, that is what you are to me, and that is what I am to you, be it or what. Okay, just you're not getting rid of me. And I love you, and I do miss you. Have a good one and a safe one. Bye.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best with you. Yeah. Day you read the month, even though you I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
People are always asking me, Gloria, when will you make baby? When will I make baby?
That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.